Hello, good day. My name is Shaina Solibel, 20 years of age from Bagong Bayan, Taguig City. I earned a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at FINMA St. Jude College. I'd love to take a couple of minutes to tell you why having me as your staff means. I believe caring is the essence of nursing, and I have the professional passion necessary to provide care to my patients because of my dedication to the nursing profession. I will make sure that providing quality care will be my highest priority. I am also excited about overcoming new challenges and diversifying my skill set as a nurse. So let's talk about my skills. I have the critical thinking skills that are necessary for quick decision making. I am compassionate as it is important for nurses to be caring while delivering the best care to patients. I have communication skills to effectively communicate with all the people involved in patient care. I have ethical manners. This is a fundamental principle of nursing, as it is expected to act in an ethical manner to respect patients and protect the dignity and rights of all patients. And lastly, I also have a desire to learn. I want to grow professionally through ongoing training, opportunities, and in most states. Now that you already know my skills, let's move on to my educational attainment. In my primary level, I studied in CP Santa Teresa Elementary School. From junior and senior high school, I studied at Mount Moriah Christian Academy and I took Humanities and Social Sciences. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Nursing at FINMA St. Jude College. I've been working part-time student as a locker attendant, assistant receptionist, and office encoder at New York SPAC. I have also experienced to become an assistant kinder teacher during my work immersion when I was in senior high school. And I have the experience to work on the special program for employment of students. And that's all for my work experience. Feel free to connect with my number and Gmail. Thank you so much for taking time to listen. Once again, I am Shaina Solibel. I'm hoping you consider my application.